I've decided that we really need to rebuild the Camaro calipers. Now, there's not much to rebuild. These are good, they're loose, they're not seized up or anything. But I still want new seals on them and stuff like that. And I want to clean them up. So, I went and bought the seals and the new stud and bolts. Now I think I might have messed up and bought these for a Corvette. Well, actually no, that'd be right. Yeah, I bought them for a Corvette, so they'll slide in and out of the bracketry. But right now, all we're worried about is the calipers. Now the calipers are really dirty. As you can see over here, it's super nasty. But a little bit of brake cleaner, CRC, which is the best. You know, you can go from this nasty looking thing to this bright and shiny thing. Yes, so nice, so chrome, but it's good. So I still have to do under here, but right now we're going to get these pistons out. Now there's a couple different ways to do these, and I actually took this bolt out earlier, which is for the brake line, and it was just gray, like alien blood came out of there. It's gross. But you don't want to lose this bolt, I'll tell you that much right now. These bolts are like 15 bucks. They're called banjo bolts. Why? I don't know, but they are. Let me see if I can't get a little bit of alien blood out of there. Nope. Wait, nope, there it is. Yeah, look at that. It's just gray nastiness. But what I need to do is I need to probably use a tad bit of shot of air, and it'll push the pistons out. Because right now, yeah, they're not coming out by hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the compressor, put the air to it, just pop it just a little bit to push them out. That's all you got to do. Once they're out enough to where you can pull them out, just pull them out. Sometimes they can be a little stuck, but I've got one side out. If you can get the side out that don't have the banjo bolt beside it, you're better. Like in this case, I got lucky and did, because you can just put like something smaller than a hole down in there and hammer it out. But I'm heating it up first to try and not damage it. I'm going to keep heating and beating until I get this thing out. We've had success. Popped right on in there. basically rebuilding it. Now, as I said, 1 down, 3 more to go. So, thank you for checking out this video on how to rebuild a brake caliper for a Camaro. Remember, check out the link I'm probably going to put up somewhere that I have swag for sale, some shirts, some hoodies, and even I saw something weird on there which was socks, and I was like, that's cool. I've even had a couple people tell me that's cool that they're socks, so check them out. Buy some. All of the funding from that goes to building other, stuff for this, for the YouTube. In fact, if I can get enough, I would really like to get the first Big Guy Garage import car up in here. Or mini truck. I guess that'll be on you guys to figure out which one you want when time comes. If time comes. But as for now, all that stuff's going to finish pristine. I'd say I am not very far now from getting her ready to get back on the road and hitting up the car shows. But thanks for watching. I'm going to finish off this brake caliper, and then I will try to get out the next part of the big brake cheap swap kit. So, peace out. See you later. Hit me up if you want to talk about anything, and buy the swag.